Looking elegant isn't just about wearing expensive clothes or keeping up with trends. It's about how you present yourself, from the way you style your outfits to the subtle details that make all the difference. Yet, it's surprisingly easy to fall into some common fashion traps that can instantly diminish that polished, refined look you're going for. The worst part? Many of these mistakes are so subtle, you may not even realize you're making them. But don't worry, today, I'm going to help you identify 5 of the most common fashion mistakes that instantly make you look less elegant. I'll not only point out what's going wrong, but also show you practical solutions so you can correct these issues and elevate your style effortlessly. Whether you're heading to an important meeting, a social event, or just your day-to-day errands, these tips will ensure you look poised and put together at all times. Trust me, once you learn to avoid these mistakes, your style will go from average to elegant in no time. Let's dive in and start refining your wardrobe, one step at a time. You deserve to look and feel your best. Our ebook, Your Guide to Timeless and Elegant Style, is here to revolutionize your fashion game. From dressing for your body shape to choosing the perfect colors for your skin undertone, we've got you covered. With detailed modules and clear pictures, you'll learn how to pick the right fabrics to look expensive, build a timeless wardrobe, and discover style tips that scream elegance. Thousands of women have already transformed their style and confidence with this guide. Click the link in the description and start your journey to timeless elegance today. Mistake 1: wearing clothes that don't fit properly. We all know the saying, it's not about what you wear, it's how you wear it. And one of the most crucial aspects of wearing your clothes well is making sure they fit properly. One of the biggest fashion mistakes that can ruin your elegant look is wearing clothes that are either too tight, too loose, or simply the wrong shape for your body. Why it matters. When clothes don't fit correctly, they disrupt your body's natural proportions and create an imbalanced look. For example, overly tight clothing can make you look uncomfortable, drawing attention to areas you might not want to emphasize. On the other hand, clothes that are too baggy or oversized can make you look sloppy or like you're hiding behind fabric, which diminishes the overall polish and sophistication of your look. Even high-end, luxurious pieces won't look elegant if the fit is off. Elegance is all about precision, and the way your clothes sit on your body plays a massive role in how put together you appear. Solution. The solution here is twofold. First, always try on clothes before buying, or if shopping online, be sure to check sizing charts carefully. Pay attention to how garments fit in key areas: shoulders, waist, hips, and sleeves. Second, get to know a good tailor. Tailoring can make a huge difference, taking a decent outfit to a perfect one. Simple adjustments like shortening sleeves, tapering pants, or taking in a waistline can instantly transform a garment and give it that custom-fitted, elegant look. Tailoring isn't just for formal wear. Having your casual clothes fitted can also give you a polished yet effortless appearance. Mistake 2: overdoing fashion trends. We've all seen fashion trends come and go, sometimes faster than we can keep up with. While it's fun to experiment with new styles, overdoing trends is one of the quickest ways to lose that timeless, elegant look. When you wear too many trendy items at once, you run the risk of looking more fashion victim than fashion icon. Why it matters? Fashion trends are temporary, but elegance is eternal. When you pile on too many trendy pieces, you can overshadow your personal style and end up looking overly flashy or as though you're trying too hard. Elegance is about restraint and knowing how to balance your look. When you're too focused on following every new trend, your outfit can become cluttered, distracting from the polished, put-together image you're trying to create. Solution. The key here is balance. Incorporate trends sparingly, blending them with classic staples that complement your overall style. For example, if animal print is trending, choose a chic leopard print scarf or handbag and pair it with a tailored black dress or blazer. This way, you stay on trend while still looking sophisticated and timeless. If you're unsure about a trend, ask yourself whether it aligns with your personal style and if it's something you'll wear even when the trend fades. If the answer is no, it's best to pass on that piece. Mistake 3: wearing too many accessories. Accessories are like the icing on the cake. They can enhance your outfit or completely overwhelm it. One of the biggest mistakes that can make you look less elegant is over-accessorizing. When you wear too many accessories, they compete for attention and can make your outfit appear chaotic and unfocused. Why it matters. Elegance thrives in simplicity. When you overload on accessories like stacking multiple necklaces, bracelets, oversized earrings, or large handbags all at once, it creates visual clutter. This distracts from the overall harmony of your look and can make you seem less put together. It's easy to think that more accessories will make an outfit look more sophisticated, but in fact, the opposite is true. The most elegant women know how to edit their outfits and use accessories to enhance, not overwhelm their look. Solution: less is more when it comes to accessorizing. Pick one statement piece, whether it's a bold necklace, a pair of striking earrings, or a beautiful watch, and let it be the focal point of your look. Pair it with more subtle, minimalist pieces to maintain balance. For example, if you're wearing a bold necklace, opt for simple stud earrings or forgo them entirely. Another tip is to consider the occasion. For a formal event, you might want to go a bit bolder with your accessories, but for everyday elegance, keep things more understated. Mistake 4. Neglecting the importance of proper grooming. You might be wearing the most stunning outfit, but if your grooming isn't up to par, it can instantly take away from your elegance. Wrinkled clothes, scuffed shoes, messy hair, or chipped nails are all small details that can have a big impact on how polished you look. Why it matters? Elegance is in the details. While clothes are a major part of your overall look, your grooming is just as important. Wrinkles, lint, stains, or a lack of care in your overall appearance signal that you haven't put thought or effort into your presentation. It creates a disconnect between your clothing and how you carry yourself, which diminishes the sophistication of your outfit. Solution: make sure your grooming routine complements your clothing choices. Always check that your clothes are freshly pressed or steamed, your shoes are polished, and your hair and makeup are neat. Carry a small emergency kit with essentials like a lint roller, stain remover, or wrinkle spray to keep your look fresh throughout the day. Also, pay attention to your accessories. Things like your bag or shoes shouldn't be scuffed or damaged, as these details can easily be noticed and lower the overall quality of your look. Even on casual days, good grooming habits keep you looking elegant effortlessly. Mistake 5. Choosing the wrong fabrics. The type of fabric you choose plays a huge role in how polished and expensive your outfit looks. Synthetic fabrics or materials that easily wrinkle or cling can cheapen even a well-designed garment and make your outfit look less refined. Why it matters. High-quality fabrics drape beautifully on the body and maintain their structure throughout the day, while lower-quality fabrics can wrinkle, lose their shape, or cling in unflattering ways. Fabrics like polyester, nylon, or shiny synthetics can sometimes have a cheap appearance, even if the garment itself is well designed. Solution: opt for natural, high-quality fabrics whenever possible, such as cotton, silk, wool, or linen. These fabrics not only last longer but also give your outfit a luxurious, elegant feel. They also tend to breathe better, so you'll feel more comfortable throughout the day. If you do choose synthetic fabrics, look for higher-end blends that mimic the look and feel of natural fibers. And always consider how a fabric behaves in different environments. Will it wrinkle easily, cling to your body, or lose its shape? Fabrics like silk and wool may require a bit more care, but they offer a level of sophistication that instantly elevates your overall look. There you have it, 5 common fashion mistakes that can instantly make you look less elegant, and more importantly, how to avoid them. Remember, elegance is all about thoughtful choices, attention to detail, and maintaining balance in your outfits. By making a few small adjustments, you can instantly elevate your style and ensure that you always look polished and sophisticated. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. And if you're ready to take your elegance to the next level, check out our ebook, A Guide to Timeless Feminine Style, filled with tips and insights to help you build a wardrobe that exudes sophistication and grace. See you in the next video. You deserve to look and feel your best. Our ebook, Your Guide to Timeless and Elegant Style, is here to revolutionize your fashion game. From dressing for your body shape to choosing the perfect colors for your skin undertone, we've got you covered. With detailed modules and clear pictures, you'll learn how to pick the right fabrics to look expensive, build a timeless wardrobe, and discover style tips that scream elegance. Thousands of women have already transformed their style and confidence with this guide. Click the link in the description and start your journey to timeless elegance today.